Now when it comes to Deskew Walls, for the users that's familiar with point cloud or laser or hand sketch, will agree that not everything is always square. So I'm first going to introduce the command, and then we're going to apply it onto this hand sketch. I'm going to start off with a wall. My variable width is 220. I'm going to say OK. I'm just in freehand, and I'm going to create 3 walls. That's a bit skew, as you can see. And now I'm going to add the dimension group. And now you can see that although my wall width is supposed to be 220, it only displayed 216 for the simple reason that if I go to my dimension and I ask Caddie to highlight the dimension object between point A and point B, horizontal is actually 216 because my walls are skewed. So the command that's added to Caddie 28 is under drawn. We go down to walls, and in the subcolumn we go down to Deskew Walls. My selection is going to be rectangle. My angles by default, but you can add additional angles if you like to, and my tolerance is 5 degrees. So I'm going to say OK, and Caddie asks us to indicate first corner of rectangle. So I'm going to draw a rectangle, selection box, and as you can see, now it fixed the walls, and my dimensions is also 220. That is correct. So let's apply it to a hand sketch. So I'm going to my wall command, 220. I'm going to say OK, and as you can see, I'm just in freehand. So here's going to be a lot of walls. That's going to be skew. E for end, spacebar. Make it 110 for internal. From here up to there. E for end, spacebar. E for end. And we're just going to create those. E for end. So if I now I'm going to switch off my image. Now as you can see, nothing is square. So the command is under draw. We go to walls. We go down to Deskew Walls. I'm going to say OK. I'm going to indicate those walls. Now it fixes it. If for some reason there's an opening, all you can make use of is the normal trim command. As you can see, trim objects to an object. I can say this is my master and I would like to trim this one. And then I can make sure that the rest is also nice clean up between the walls.